Hello, today we will guide you through how to Joyagoo account. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the quickest way to find the official Joyagoo website if you do not already have the address saved. Once Google loads, click into the search bar and type in Joyagoo. Be sure to spell the name carefully so the correct results appear. After the search results load, look for the official Joyagoo listing and click on it. This should take you directly to the Joyagoo website. If you see multiple results, take a moment to choose the one that appears to be the official site. This helps make sure you are accessing the correct page before creating your account. When you arrive on the Joyagoo homepage, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you should see a head-shaped user icon. Click on that icon to open the account access options. This is the area where you can sign in if you already have an account or start the registration process if you are new to the platform. Once the account page opens, click on Register. This will take you to the sign-up form where you can begin creating your account. At this stage, you will typically have two options. You can either enter your registration information manually or choose to sign in with Google if that option is available and more convenient for you. If you decide to register manually, fill in the required information carefully and make sure everything is accurate before moving forward. If you choose the Google sign-in option, select it and continue through the Google authorization process on the screen. This can often be a faster way to set up your account, especially if you prefer not to type everything in manually. After that, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Depending on the platform's current registration flow, you may be asked to confirm certain details, accept terms, or complete a quick verification step. Read each screen carefully and continue until your account has been successfully created. As a helpful tip, if anything does not load as expected, try refreshing the page or checking that you selected the official Joyagoo website from the search results. Taking a few extra seconds to review each page can help avoid errors during registration. That's it. Once you finish the on-screen steps, your Joyagoo account should be ready to use.